G'day guys, and welcome back to another video. Sorry I've been away for a little bit. I'll reveal in another video soon while I've been a little bit out of action. It's good news, it's not bad news. Troubleshooting network communication is the lesson today, and we'll get stuck into these questions. 428, you are troubleshooting communication to another device. What is the result of the command being executed in the figure below? So we're doing a ping here, and then we've got some exclamation marks after an attempt to ping. So we got A, pings are unsuccessful, pings were successful, Traceroute was unsuccessful, ARP cache is empty. So there's nothing really mentioning about ARP tables, so we can rule that one out. We're doing a ping, not a traceroute, so we can rule that one out as well. If they are periods, like full stops, they are deemed unsuccessful, so that means they are successful. So whenever pings are sent back and forth, it'll do 5 at a time, and then it will respond back accordingly. There, so 429, what are the results of the command executing in the figure below? We're doing the same thing again. However, we've got some different things. So we've got pings were unsuccessful, pings were successful, traceroute was unsuccessful, ARP cache is empty, so we can rule out the bottom two again. Can't really see very well there in the photo, but it basically is the opposite. It's unsuccessful this time, because we are getting back full stops, periods, whatever you want to call them. For 430, you are troubleshooting communication problems on a network on the other side of the country. What command do you use to identify at what point in the communication pathway there is a failure? So we've got show IP ARP, we've got ping, the IP address, telnet, the IP address, traceroute, the IP address. Okay, so if you want to know what's something, or whether a device is online or responsive, you can go with the ping. We don't really need to know about the ARP, that's sort of more local. So that rules down a few. Don't need a telnet, so the answer is D. Traceroute, IP address. So whenever you're trying to find out how something is communicating or where it's breaking down, traceroute is really good to do. So use that wisely. 431, what command would you use to test the VTY port configuration? So we've got traceroute, NSLOOKUP, ping, and telnet. Bit of a rote answer this one, so there's no magical science to it. But it is not A, B, or C, it is D, telnet. 432, you are testing connectivity to a system on a remote network using the output shown in the figure below. What is the default gateway setting of this workstation? So we've got 23001, 24002, 250010, 25001. Yeah, so this one, it's not worded super well, because I would feel like if we're trying to trace that workstation, then that would be its router, but the technical answer I've been given is A, 23001, because if we're talking about this workstation that we're pinging to that workstation, then technically the first hop is always going to be your router, so it's a bit of a weird one. Yeah, the answer is A, so hopefully don't get too many of those weird ones, but Cisco love doing those. So I appreciate you watching, guys. Website's there. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe away, all that good stuff. Really appreciate your time. Have a great day, guys. See you on the next video.